What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. We are a family that loves to travel and vacation to new places, experience great food and drinks, have a good time, and also relax. One of the ways we do this is by visiting all-inclusive resorts, going on cruises, and visiting other popular vacation destinations around the country. Let's face it, a lot of time and energy goes into planning a vacation. From researching the destination, seeking the best price on flights and hotels, and reading tons of hotel reviews, and sometimes even joining social media groups to get additional feedback from prior guests. During the process, I can't help but wonder sometimes, is the resort really that great? Or are people overselling it? So, at the end of each video, we plan to answer that burning question everyone wants to know. Was the vacation experience worth the hype? Was it worth the price tag? And would we visit again? So come along with us on our journey as we answer the question, was it worth the hype? Hey, good morning everyone, and welcome to the beautiful Hyatt Zilara. Hyatt Zilara is a 5-star all-inclusive resort exclusively for adults situated within the beautiful gated community of Cap Cana in the Dominican Republic. And with it located only 15 minutes away from the Punta Cana International Airport, Hyatt Zilara is the ideal location for a quick getaway. The resort features 375 spacious and modern suites with balconies offering picturesque views of the resort's grounds and ocean. Guests of the Hyatt Zilara have full access to dining options, bars, and lounges at the neighboring family-friendly Hyatt Ziva resort. With a combined total of 25 unique restaurant and bar options, state-of-the-art gym.
All right, hold up, wait a minute now. I was on my 3rd set and my 8th rep. I was tired. Don't come for me in the comments. Back to our regularly scheduled programming.
And 27,000 square foot cenote-inspired spa, Hyatt Zilara truly is a tropical paradise where the amenities are endless. Good morning, everyone. This is our first morning here at Hyatt Zilara. We checked in yesterday at 2:30. We are staying in a club level room, so upon arrival, we were escorted to the club lounge, which they greeted us with some welcome drinks. It was this purple thing. It was it was really tasty. It had a little bit of a bite to it, which I kind of like. And we were escorted to our room, which was 5508. And the room was freshly made, smelled amazing, very clean, very neat. And yeah, the view is what really sets this room above anything that I've ever stayed at is the view. I've never been this close to the beachfront and the pool view. It's just awesome. For a full room tour, please be sure to check out the link below in the description box. Because it was our first day and we were still exhausted from traveling, we tried to keep the day short and sweet. We headed over to the Pier Buffet, however, the options were limited because they were about to close at 4 p.m. We managed to get a few things, but honestly, it just wasn't good. It was basically leftovers.
What cut this is, or where they got this cow from, they need to give it back. Because I don't know if tuna's supposed to look like this. It doesn't taste bad, but
It is supposed to be served under. So next we ended up at the Moment Sports Bar for a quick bite to eat and some drinks. The sports bar is shared between Zilara and Ziva, and they are open every day from 4 p.m. to midnight. I can definitely see this being a big hangout spot at night. The place has a nice vibe to it. They had pool tables, big TVs to show games. It was great. We tried a few drinks from the menu. We tried the Wimbledon and the Johannesburg. The Wimbledon tasted the best out of the two. It had a hint of ginger to it, which was quite nice. The biggest disappointment had to be the food. We ordered the spicy barbecue chicken wings, nachos, and corn dog, and honestly, everything tasted previously frozen and just poor quality. I wouldn't recommend it at all. So it's our first night, and we're gonna be going to dinner. Where are we going? Buffet?
wherever our feet take us.
We're gonna check out the Mercado buffet because the pier, which is on the Zilara side, is closed this night. So we're gonna check that out and see how it's looking. Hopefully it looks good. Unfortunately, the pier buffet on the Zilara side was closed every evening for dinner during our stay. I wasn't the biggest fan of this because if you really wanted buffet for dinner, you had to go over to the Ziva side and go to the Mercado buffet for dinner, and it sort of forced you to dine with children while you're supposed to be on an adults-only vacation. All right, y'all, let's check out this dinner buffet. You guys, the Mercado buffet was like no other all-inclusive resort buffet I've seen. For starters, the buffet is not your typical self-service. Every food station was set up with plexiglass, which was protecting the food, and the staff were standing by to serve us with whatever we asked for. We really appreciated this setup because, let's face it, some people are gross. The last thing you want is anyone sneezing and coughing and then going to touch the serving utensils, so we really liked this setup. This buffet had absolutely anything you could think of and more. Tonight they were featuring Caribbean-inspired cuisine like mofongo, plantain, roast pork, and many others. Are y'all seeing how good this food looks right now? And everywhere you turned, there was something else to see. The buffet regularly featured a fresh ceviche station with plenty of fresh seafood options such as scallops and shrimp, as well as a vegan station for all of those on a plant-based diet. Not to be missed is the grilling stations for both meat and seafood lovers alike. They offered made-to-order chicken, pork, and steak with freshly prepared salsas and sauces, while the seafood station presented favorites such as shrimp, tuna, mussels, and salmon, all prepared right in front of you. This was positively the highlight of the buffet experience. I don't know about you guys, but seeing all this food is making me hungry. How's the food?
I'm gonna be honest. Us could be in VR. Need some sazon. Need some butter. Need some salt. Need some pepper. It needs help. Do it taste clean? Yes, it does.
Okay.
Do it taste like black people made or Spanish folk? No.
All right. Not good.
I wasn't lying. What the kids say, no cap. The kids say no cap.
The beef is kind of tough, like it's a little overcooked. The lamb is not bad. The shrimp is okay.
Alright, you still got more to go on your plate. I'm moving because we paid for this.
We ended our evening at the Mercado buffet with a little something sweet. We had the guava cake and the tres leche, and they were both very delicious. And that wraps up our first day at Hyatt Zilara. If you enjoyed watching, please be sure to like this video and subscribe below. And don't forget to come back to check out our day 2 video coming very soon.